Orere wa murani wa ciama cia kiuteti uria utanyitwo gugatabanio mweri-ini ukite uthiete na mbere gukuhiriria, kiama kia Jubilee ni kianirire maritwa ma andu aria mekumba bodi nene ya ithurano kiama-ini kiu. Bodi iyo ni ya andu kenda aria mena uigiririki maundu-ini matiganite megie uteti na urugamiriri. Ameba a bodi iyo ni hamwe na PG Wanyonyi uria gukura ri muikariri giti wa bodi iyo, agiteithirio ni Veska Kagongo, Samuel Nyangeso, Reverend Samuel Kobia, Michael Waweru, Aden Nur Ali, Lean Timama, Caroline Kamade Daudi na Abdalla Hussein Khamis. Murugamiriri wa wabici nene ya Jubilee Raphael Tuju augite kiama kia Jubilee riu gikunyitanira na bodi iyo niguo gutigirira wamurani wa kiama kiu ugakorwo wi wama na kihoto.
In terms of making the nomination process free and fair, and we know that free and fair for most people is when they win, but free and fair means free and fair.
Kiama kia Jubilee oho kiugite bodi iyo ya ithurano ya Jubilee ina ameba kuma miena yothe ya bururi niguo gukinyaniria uiganania.
You'll notice that from the names that I'll be giving you, this is the face of Kenya, and the appointment was done on that basis of inclusivity, that we have to reflect the face of Kenya, and that was a fair process.
Wabici nene ya Jubilee oho yugite mutaratara wa kumba bodi cia kurugamirira wamurani wa Jubilee ikero-ini cia kaunti ni wajitie. Maina wa Wairegi, Inooro TV.